Hi there, this is Love Johar. Thank you so much for tuning in this video and thank you so much for watching this channel. As you all are aware that we are approaching the transitioning phase of ISO 27001. So all the companies who are operating in 2013 version, the last date is October 31st, 2025 for the transition, right? So it's hardly around 1 year left now. So I think all of you must be preparing for the transition phase. So I think it's a good time that I help you with this transition phase. So we are offering some services here. If you are employed and you are facing any challenges while transitioning to ISO 27001, or if you are a company who wants to do it from the scratch, both ways we are here to help you. The number is there, the contact number is there. You can get in touch with us. The cost is very nominal, and we will be supporting you with all the details that are mentioned in the layout here. We'll be helping you with the development of policies, procedures, gap assessment, security reviews, risk assessment, risk management, each and everything related to the transition we'll be helping you with. At the end of the day, we our purpose is to make sure that you get ready for the transition beforehand, proactively. It's a proactive approach that we want to take with you. And the most important thing is we want to make sure that you not only get compliant with the new ISO 27001 2022 transition, but only getting compliant is not our purpose. Our purpose is to make sure that you get something out of it for your business as well. At the end of the day, you must be able to achieve some business objectives out of it, right? It should support your business, it should add to your business rather than creating security as a overhead for your business. That is not our objective. So if you are thinking that transitioning is becoming a overhead for your business, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll make sure that it becomes as smooth as possible. And definitely, as I mentioned earlier, our goal here is to help your business, okay, to achieve its objectives and not the other way around, okay, by this transition. So any more queries, anything you want to add, please feel free to add in the comment section, or definitely you can WhatsApp on this number which I have given here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care. Bye bye.